Hi everyone, today we are looking at this vintage old school overhead projector. It's a Polar, made in Sweden, and it's custom made, modernized if you want to. For instance, it's got a PC fan at the back. The induction motor has been replaced with this PC fan, and it's very quiet now. And during a wind tunnel test, this fan was much stronger than the original one. Here's the original one. And we also have a dimmer switch here, the induction type, and it's connected from the mains to the 24 volt transformer. By the way, the original lamp is a 24 volt 20 to 50 watt lamp, but now it's fitted with a 24 volt 150 watt lamp, which is a little bit smaller, shorter, but it fits. So the power consumption is also much lower. Okay, and you can see the dimming effect. Okay, it flickers at some stage when it's too low, and that's the brightest. Okay, so you can turn it almost all the way down just to let the lamp cool down before you switch it off. Okay, let's have a look at the inside. Okay, there's a safety mechanism there so that the mains should be disconnected when you open it. As you can see, the lamp house has got a handmade cover with a condenser lens, or plano convex lens in this case, or basically a magnifying glass, and with this thermo switch just to cut the power when it gets too hot. If, for instance, the fan would stop working or the airflow is not adequate, but that shouldn't be a problem when the fan is running. Okay, and this cover can be opened. The screws just need to be untightened a little bit, and there you can see how it looked like originally without the cover. It's just the lamp and the concave reflector. There's no spare lamp mechanism. Okay, press it back securely. And there at the back you can see the PC fan. It runs on its own power supply. It's about 7 volts. The reason for the separate power supply is because the 24 volts transformer is being handled by the dimmer. And there's also a much smaller deflector plate. The original one was much higher. There was no condenser lens, so the light rays would just pass and it can shine into someone's eyes. Okay, and it's got the lamp height adjust as well. It's a clamp screw here on the front cover. You can see it. Unscrew it, oops, and the lamp house is moving up and down. It's just to focus the rays through the Fresnel lens onto the objective lens, just to ensure the rays cover the objective lens properly and doesn't overlap. And there's our dimmer switch connected from the mains to the 24 volts transformer. Okay, so let's see how the adjustments work. Oh, there's no power yet. Okay, I will adjust the lamp house up and down so you can see how the coverage changes. We want maximum coverage without overlap. It's about there. So there shouldn't be any color edging. There is a little bit in the left top corner, but I believe that is because of the condenser lens missing part the edge of the Fresnel lens. It's a bit too high, but it's better that way, otherwise there's a greater risk of it getting cracked due to sudden heat changes, temperature changes. Okay, you can see the effect of lowering the lamp housing. The edge. Now actually the rays overlaps here on the mirror. It's okay like that on the objective lens, but it misses the mirror, and that's actually the orange edging you see there. And the light is also not so bright because it doesn't make use of the total diameter of the objective lens. Okay. This is actually a close range lens. It's got a shorter focal length, so it can work within 1 meter from the screen. It's for very limited space, ideal for limited space. And now back here, you can see there's no rays, no direct rays shining here at the back thanks to the condenser lens, focusing it away from the side. Still need to make a better attachment for the fan. Now it's got some wires. And now before switching off, we can just dim it all the way down so that the lamp can cool down a bit. Before the fan stops. Okay, this by the way can turn down completely, so you just have flat head, and the support can be removed so that you can box the projector and put the arm separate. And that's it. Thanks for watching.